All right, this is our writing brainstorming session for National Arbor Day. This is writing about why trees are important. So it says National Arbor Day is celebrated in April as a day to plant and care for trees. Why are trees important? Supply the facts and use linking words like also, another, and, but, for example, because to connect our ideas. So we all have trees around us. They may be in our yards, in our neighborhood. We've got them at our school and in parks. So some things that are very important, first of all, about trees are the leaves clean the air. And leaves also give us oxygen. So right, gives us oxygen. Okay? So the leaves actually take in the bad air and then they convert it into good air, a nice clean oxygen for us to be able to breathe. So that is one reason why trees are important. Another reason is that it is a home for lots of animals. So for instance, birds, bats can live in trees at nighttime, and bats are so good because they eat all the mosquitoes for us. Insects like butterflies, etc. So it's a home for animals. Trees also give us fruit. Not all trees, like a pine tree isn't going to give us an apple, but we can get fruit from our trees. We can get, our avocados, our oranges, and lots of citrus, apples, pears, peaches, that sort of thing. So we can get fruit, or you can even put down food if you wanted to. We get food from our trees. Trees give us shade, and they keep things cooler. So I'm going to write down cooler on that one. So they give us shade underneath. They cool off your house. If you have a big tree next to your house, it can help cool off your house, make it colder, and you have shade. Trees also give us wood. So you can cut down trees and use it to build homes or benches, playground equipment, tables at your house. So that is why trees are important. We're able to get those also. And finally, I'm going to put down that the roots help prevent erosion. And that's kind of a tricky word. But erosion means when the ground could blow away. So for instance, if a tree doesn't have good strong roots, it'll fall over. And so it's important to have lots of trees around so that if we get a lot of rain, we don't get mudslides. The roots help keep the ground, the soil together so that it doesn't run off or blow away. So these are some reasons why it is important to have trees and how trees help us. You may also want to plant a tree. I know a lot of people on Arbor Day will plant trees. There's a website called Tree People. I'm going to write that on here. It's called treepeople.org, and they have trees. And you can call them up and they can go with you, and you can plant trees in areas where there's been forest fires or mudslides. They need lots of little trees to go in so that the roots can kind of go into the soil and anchor it in so that there aren't any more flash floods and mudslides and that sort of thing. So treepeople.org is fun. You can go with your family when they have events open, and you can go plant trees as a family. It's a pretty fun thing to do. So this is our writing assignment. Be sure to draw a nice picture for me here, give it a title, and give me some really great sentences. All right, great job, everybody. I can't wait to read it.